Opo. Kaya kami bayad pag ano. Hey! 8:30. So, yan yung gamit. Then, ayan na. Hindi yung mostly gamit namin. Hindi pa naliligo ang asawa ko.
Remove your feet. Stand up, stand up.
Kapag natago yung tubig, pinunasan yung parang ilalim.
Ganun.
Didikit talaga.
Going gabi. Yes. Hello. Hi, vlog. Hello. Yeah, tulog yung isa doon. And 1:30 na. 8:07. Going to London. Hindi pa nga eh. Magbabiyahe pa lang eh. Sino yung anak mo?
Guys. Hi guys, today we have the airplane and we have to drive.
Wow! You're eating
Banana guys.
with Stormy. Sisi, uy, nagano. What are you doing? Axel is vlogging na daw eh. Sabi, hello! Oh, ayan na sila. Bakit kayo may ganyan kami wala? Hindi pa nakakalipad. Tulog na. Maupo tulog. Ikaw, kailan ka matutulog? Siya na lang gising. Storm! Ano ginawa? Tumutulog yung kuya. Not iPad. Tulog yung dalawa ko. Kabila. Kabilang gising. Yay! Happy ka? Smile dito, smile. Dito! Saan nakatingin? Every travel ganito scenario. Buong travel di ako natutulog. Dahil gising yan. Gising na siya after 30 minutes. May ganyan. Hintay lang sila lagi tulog. Mami. Ay! Sinawag nga ka, mag-vlog daw siya. Ano palita mo? Ano ba? Uy, tatay, may pagkala. Okay, first meal. Beef caldereta. Ayun na, magpapakain na. Ayun pa lang, darating pa lang. Ulit na ah. Ay, kakagising ng Eloria. Tulog po. Sam. Travel pa. Kita. Yan. Paano mag-travel ng may tatlong bata?
Tatapon ko din ito. Kinuha ko yung kumot eh.
Expecting flight. Pero si our brain. Kuya, say hi to the vlog na.
I vlog today. We're going to Malaysia.
We're going to London. Bye. Okay, 10-hour flight, done. 5 hours layover, start now. Ayan na. Ginagawa nila. Ito kami, oh. Guys. Yan. Ito na layover. Waiting ng 1 a.m. para malaman kung anong gate kami. Ha? Okay na. Time check, 12:43 a.m. Riyadh time. At wala pa din. Wow! Tulog ka. Ayan ako at... breakfast. Hello, London. Axel, Sam. London.
We're going to
We're here in London. Yes. Sky.
finally.
Hello, London. Aba.
Oh, I wanna go there.
Hello, London. Hello. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Axel, ano sabi mo? Ay, immigration. Okay, waiting sa baggage. Uy, saan? Si At. Exit. Doon na kami. Ay, parang last time dito tayo nag-ayos. Ito rin yun. Uy, Sam! Ano ka ba? Bakit ka naman dyan? Kaya nga eh. Ay, Nikos! Asan sila? Kumakita. Hello! Ay, ako di ko to alam.
So you asking where you're going? Yeah, I'm down the other end.
Yan, dyan, upo, upo.
Ayan. Ayaw daw niya matulog.
Pakainin mo na sila, sis.
Magluluto pa ako.
Ito yung cheese pa
Hindi pa.
Yeah.
Okay, first lunch. Tanghali. Tulog na si tatay. Jet lag is real. Hello. Ngayon pa lang kakain ng lunch dito, pero dinner na sa atin. May seatbelt yan! Bibig! Wow! Sige! Iba!
Asa taas? Ala na, di ba ako siya? Ala na, di ba ako siya?
Ay, ayun ako pa! Di kita yung reaction nagtago. Go. Yay! Yay! Bubbles!
Go, Dad. No, not that one.
Storm!
Go, Dad. Go, go, go.
Oh, yun na! Ayun na! Wow!
Yay! Good job!
Boy! More pa daw! Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
No.
Ay,
My God.
Am I bringing? You're so late. I didn't.
kadarating lang sa London. Alis na naman! Tay! Zero?
Very cool.
Doors opening.
Ang lamig! Ay sila. Kadarating lang sa London. Alis na naman! Okay. Oh. Dito kami sa London. Kasi na. Luton Airport. Giniginaw. Malamig pero naka-t-shirt lang at naka-parada. No phone. No.
Thank you for attention.
Sasakay pa ng bus. Ito si Saka yung sister.
Bonggo ka tuloy.
Nabanggo.
Kasi ate ba, di ba nabonggo ka niya? Bonggo pa siya dun sa...
Sam! Sky, hi! Ang very good. Grace, say hi to the vlog. Hi, Grace! Hi! KFC in Albania. In Albania. Welcome to Albania. Yung maaraw pero init. Hindi lahat kami. Hanapin namin yung kotse na nirent nila ate. Yan. Okay.
Oh, hindi mo itatali eh. Oh, sagot pa.
Smile! Smile! pa siya. Tamang chill lang.
Oh, baby. But I would.
Oh, init. Oh, oh. Kain mo na ako bago maglibot ka again na. Kasi ito siya. Ayan sila. Yan. O, diba? Castle of Berat. Pogi ng asawa ko siya. Diyan kami kakain. Pasok doon. Okay, ganyan. Go na. Wow. Okay. Go! Ewan ko. Pwede naman siya maglibot.
I want. That's the castle. It looks like
Yeah, it's a preserved castle.
a preserved castle.
Mainit. Pero mahangin. Pero for sure, maitim kami mamaya niyan. Hi, so hello.
Let's go to Grace's house.
Oh, it's Tita Beb's house. Babalik na kami. Okay, return that and then just like.
Why you take first?
They gave us the free coffee and a free Wi-Fi. Buti naman! Yan, yung matanda.
I love birthday.
Ilang kape na doon eh.
Baka naman datas ng mga daddy nito.
So, ito yung aming apartment. Yan pala ako mag-apartment tour. So, ito isang room. Yan, dito sila Ate Bebs. Yung stroller namin. Nagluto si ate. Ngayon, malinis na kasi pa-check out na kami. Ayan. You know. Ate, may kanin pa dun ha. You know. Ayan. BCR, San Antonio. Yan, tulog pa yung mag-ama ko. Ito yung isang room. Ganda, no? Simple lang, pero ito yung view dyan. Wow! Check out na kami. Play sila. Smile, ate, smile. Diyan, dito ka lang, Sam. Smile. Kuya, smile. Grace, smile. Stormy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mouth and nose, head, shoulders. Mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Diba?
Side quest. We're here sa bus terminal and we're gonna eat first because our bus will leave at 12:30 and it's already 10:20.
Where's Harry? Harry? Oh my God! Wait for you. Captain. Oh, Harry, where's Harry?
Ah, kaya pala nagdala.
Very late. Why? What time? We are 4 minutes late. We will be 4 minutes.
Where we will take around 2 hours together. We'll finish at the big tower right there. Halfway through the tour, we have a short break included. Which one would you like to hear, guys? Bay. It's Turkish. Ottoman. Which means it's not the real name. The real name was. Good afternoon. Welcome to Albania and Tirana, everyone. I am Clint. I'll be your tour guide for today. And we're going to take a tour together, which will be around 2 hours. We're going to see everything. Historical points, panoramic views, bars, restaurants, traditional places. I'll show you the national parks, how to go there, how the buses work, ATMs, and everything you need to know. But most importantly, my favorite part, landmarks. The awesome towers we have everywhere. Because of its name, they do not stands for pedestrians. This means over here, when we take our bicycles and
Same length na like ate.
Now look, the boat.
I know.
No, someone blocked the one.
I just what I said.
No, someone. It's a different car.
Oh.
there, you'll be like,
Daming fans, diba? Oh. Ay!
What is living? Scared it's gonna increase.
Axel! Hold na. Ah. Opo, dyan bubukas.
The one you're referring to, you have to do the
Ito yung room ni Ate Len. Nasa alikod lang yung kami. Walang tao sa reception. Yeah, we need to. Cheng will first try.
Don't finish it all.
Speech.
Sige, go.
Tapos pagkatapos mo inumin sa ako sasabihin kung gano'n kaya.
Etil ako.
Oh, you need to try!
Shot mo ha, siplang.
Grabe yung amoy.
Why? Go.
Sindihan mo na lahat na rin.
The letter. Inang, you do the honor.
Axel's
You
turn.
do the honor.
Wow! Ikaw naman! Kuya! Wow!
Have I tried it before?
Oh!
Shot.
Ubusin mo na. Debbie!
You need us to drink a bit more than that.
Yeah.
Ay, baka malusong yan. Di atin mabuhat yan. Bakit ganyan nilalasing nyo?
Huwag patawan niyo.
Having that.
Lalabas ko yung yan.
What about you?
I will.
We will!
You liked it, right?
Go!
Dinasadya nila yan.
Speech. Thank you guys.
Ah!
Bye for today and
Tastes like that wine.
the rest of our
gave me
trip
before.
together.
Ah! Cheers to the marriage!
Ano kayo nag-bayad ng mga expenses?
Clap,
More half pa!
Tita Tanta, you should drink.
Yan na.
You're the man.
Why? Ang daming ininom. Sabi sa'yo, ang daming ininom.
How's mine? At the corners that we drove today will bring us to a better life, even if that means that there will be some scratches along the way. But
Bigyan mo na.
what matters is that we are here drinking the rock.
Wow! Yay! Good job! Happy birthday! Wow!
One.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi, it's okay. Hindi, pareho lang din yung tayo. Yan kasi, yung kay Grace na parang walang sauce. Guys, ito ang meatballs nila.
The meatballs.
Hello, Alonda. Luton Airport. Naiwan kami kasi mag-over kami. Dito kami sa Burger. Oh, Mercedes-Benz.
Relaxing. Now, you can lay down there or sit down.
Okay.
Hi. I know you can sit down.
Ising ha. What? Carry it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay! Happy birthday! Nakatalikod ka na nga lang. We're going by a train. Okay, train, go. I know, 12 lang. Parang may video nito. Ako na. Kulimlim na. Umulang sa tirik na araw. Saan sila? Ito kami. Kuya. Ay, Anton!
Did the big club?
Okay.
English house.
You clean it already?
Like it doesn't feel cooler, right?
Ayan ang capybara. Huli ka na. Oh, may bubbles! Sam, Axel, picture Grace. Ay. Oo, tingnan niyo siya. Oh. Siya, sila. Oh, di kumain na.
Ano lang?
Cereal. Ayun lang sila, cereal. Napakainit sa London. Napaka-araw. Axel, masaya ka? Kahit mainit?
Baka wiwi.
Okay, change tayo mamaya.
Change.
Ang init. So, handa na ba kayo maging daing dito sa sobrang init, oh? Ayun sila. Ayan. Magaan sila niyan. Activity ngayong tanghaling kapag dito.
Ay, dito. Manghina talaga. Sige lang po, kasi medyo kain ka kami sa amin. Ay, may yes. Alam mo sila tapos eh. Mas ilalim tayo dapat. Wiwi! Zippy! Okay. Hey.
Smile! Guys, tulog sila. Kala ko sa Pinas lang ako magpapaypay. Hanggang UK. Brown out nila dito guys. Pero may ilaw. Tulog, knockout, tulog, ha? Yan yung isang capybara. Nandun sa labas eh. Pakita ko sa inyo, wait.
So these three do have very, very subtle differences. I know
May tanong.
like their guinea pig counterparts, that would weigh them down in the water and make it very, very difficult for them to swim and to get away from anything that's chasing them.
Nawala yung hangin.
Last time ka lalaki.
Hello, ang itim.
Oh, this is... Oh my goodness.
Uy, grabe sila. Oh my. Eh. Sakto sito, kakasabi mo lang, dumating na.
Maglagay ka ng ad sa baba.
Kompleto na kami.
Sa ipong ko. Wala ka ba ito?
Pilipinas na lang to. Ganun yun lang. Ano yung plato? Yung plato dito mo.
Okay, breakfast. Kaila ate. Tulog pa. Ay na kuya ate. Ano sabihin mo?
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're eating pancake and waffle.
Walang siyang sabi ng egg. Stormy wala. It's not hot, it's windy daw.
Hello guys, today nandito tayo sa beach. Okay, so today na dito tayo kasi magsiswimming siya kalaro. And then, time check is 5:08. 5:08 o'clock. And ang dami. See you later.
Okay. Nandito kami sa may park na tapat is beach na doon. Donut and ice cream time. Ayun sila tatayo. Hi! Oh, hello Doc!
Video nga. Ayun. Ayun.
Takot ka? Tuwa-tuwa oh. Ice cream. Ito. Thank Ano masarap niyan? Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, thank you. Stormy. My weather spoon. Breakfast, lunch. Ayan sila, oh. Patapos na kami kumain. Yan. Thank you, Kuya. Ayan. Na-miss ko to. Favorite ko tong kainin pag nasa UK.
Yay!
Thank you, Kuya. Bibidyoan ko para hindi na siya makaangal. Siya na magbabayal niya.
Slide right into the car park.
Ay! Ikaw boy, sige boy. Oh, stay there. Oh, oh. Ay!
Sige lang, gawin mo lang. Arundel. Ayan na. Wow. Arundel. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you ulit, Kuya. Arundel.
Why not take?
Ang galing, nasa tabi lang siya ng daanan. Ayan. Ito lang siya.
loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no
Going to Peppa Pig kay si Stormy. Gusto na niya naglalakad sa may train.
Nandito na tayo sa train station. Papunta na Peppa Pig. Yan si Nanay. Nandito tayo. Ayan. Yun. They make a clapping party.
Talaga sila. Oh, tingnan niya guys. Tulog na naman sila.
Thank you so much.
We are in Happy! Welcome! In Peppa Pig World. Yabang ni Stormy oh. Dito siya sa kabayo. Stormy, first time ah. Okay na siya. Peppa Pig World. Pangatlong beses ko na dito sa UK. First time ko na magpe-Peppa. Ito yung parang Disneyland nila.
Ayun, gusto ng ice cream.
Grace! Ang ganda ng bata naman. Parang nagsasunbathing. Hello! Girl, line sila. Oh. Maos na ako kakasikat. Talagang aming bunso. And a grandpa! Hi, Tay! Hello! Asa sila, kuya? Naiwan. Ito pala. Ayan sila.
Cute ni Grace. Make sure we stay sat down, okay?
Okay. Kami ulit ni Debbie. Sa inyo yung araw! Oo nga ba? Ganda.
Access, Skylar, do this, hold here.
Boy! Ah, boy!
Oh my God!
Boy! Hala, boy! Ay!
Crazy!
Axel!
Grace.
Look at that.
Say hi. Yeah, hey, clap your hands. Yeah, hey.
Go! Gracie, go!
Can we get Pepe a quick tunnel?
Angie, big cheese. Say bye, please. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look at that. Lovely. Say Hi, Gracie! Hi! Drive safe! Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
God.
Summer!